Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Psiphon VPN for unlimited internet. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to use Psiphon's VPN here, well, this one's quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Google Play Store and you want to go ahead and look for Psiphon VPN. Now let's go ahead and click on install. Just wait for a while in here until the installation is complete, but once the installation is complete, you should be able to see the open button. Let's go and click on open. Now, a few things you need to understand here is you will need to set a few things in here, and also there are some data collection disclosure. You can go and read into this one, but let's go and click on I accept for now. And from here, it's going to be emphasize malware, for example, automatically blocks access to potentially malicious websites. So it's another layer of protection here, which is a great thing. Let's go and just click on yes. Now, in order for you to get started, you need to understand a few things. So you have home, stats, options, and logs. Now, home here is where you can start your VPN. Now, if you go to stats, this is what is or how fast your current internet connectivity. As we all know, the VPN can slow down your internet a bit because, again, you're accessing VPN to protect yourself. So yeah, now you also have options if you want to change a few things like VPN settings here, like all apps will tunnel via the VPN, or if you want to make exceptions or whatnot. You could also select server regions in here, but for now, you may need to get the upgrade plan in order for you to select a server region. But yeah, also have like proxy settings and even logs. Now, in order for you to get started with your VPN, you just need to go back to home, and at the very bottom you have the start button. Let's go and just press or click on it. It's going to ask your connection request. Go and click on OK. Now it's going to start running the VPN service. It might take a while, so it's going to say to access what's happening in your region, you may need to get install Conduit, or if you don't want help, you can go and click on I don't want help, click on continue. It's going to start the process, and it's going to basically let's close this one. It's going to go back and see if it's not connected. As you can see, it's now connected. Now, you don't need to install other apps for that, but they do recommend that. But again, you don't have to install any of it. So yeah, so in this case, it's now connected. You can go and access the websites you haven't access or you don't have access for, because certain regions lock you out of their website. But yeah, so in this case, you can go and just start browsing. As you can see at the very top, you see the VPN tag on my phone, so it means the VPN is now working. Now, if you want to stop this one, you just need to go ahead and open up the app again and just click on the stop button. You see at the very bottom left of your screen, and that should stop the whole VPN, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.